Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide pattern unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. First of all, I will show my current pattern. Okay, see here. I locked my phone and I draw my pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. But when I draw my pattern, that line, that unlock line is showing. Okay, so if any people nearby me can easily see that what pattern I have. Okay, then after a few minutes, suppose if I forget my phone and leave it my phone nearby those people, they can take my phone and they can easily enter into my phone if they know my pattern. Okay, so if you want to hide that pattern line, okay, if you want to hide if you hide it, then even if you draw the pattern in front of the people, they cannot easily pick up the pattern. Okay, some people may be easily seen it by carefully looking it, or by cleverly looking it, but if you hide it, it is difficult to quickly understand it. Okay, it will serve the purpose. It will somewhat to save your phone. Okay, so how to set it, we will see now. Go to the settings in your phone first. Go to settings, then go to lock screen and go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern now. And here make pattern visible option is turned on. Okay, just turn off this button now. Hereafter, even if you try your pattern, line is not showing, so you can quickly lock your phone you can unlock your phone in front of people. Okay, they cannot easily pick up you. Okay, see here. So don't need to it will not showing the unlocking line. Okay, if you want to really have that line, yes, you can change it back to default. Go to the settings again, go to lock screen and click on secure lock settings. Draw the current pattern and turn on this button, make pattern visible. So it is visible now, pattern is visible. When you draw, that line is visible. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.